fact that it is not easy to sway the heart and mind of such a lady.
Such a lady!
Oh my god.
Yes! Ah!
Okay, response time.
Why is my nose like...
Why is your leg like that? Why are your hands like that? That is the worst thing.
Why am
They're
I
like-
not wearing anything? So scared when you become right wing.
I know it will happen at some point.
I think
No, it
that is absolutely disgusting.
That's a lot of sound.
I don't think you and I were born to be normal. You know that video with my fag? The yogurt. And I was like, what do you think? And you go, looking good! Looking good! What if we both died in a car accident and our husbands use this as footage for our funeral?
What the fuck? Why would you say that?
I always think about stuff like that.
Awesome.
Free hand.
Am I again?
Yeah.
Oh.
You look beautiful.
So wet.
Have you been swimming?
Yes. Whiplash. What's your name?
Chanel.
Have people told you that you kind of look like Bella Hadid?
Guys, I'm not Bella.
Are you an actress too?
Yeah, I am. I was on
Riverdale?
I was on Euphoria.
Really? I can tell your makeup. Look.
It's fast.
She's been putting on layers and layers.
It's natural.
What do you do in your free time?
I look out for poor children.
Really?
So
What are you sending to Kenya?
Everybody is a princess.
So what do you say?
Mainly cause I'm periods is so bad. Don't have pads. And so
Yeah.
I send no, I don't do that. That's so generic. I send little Freddos. Because everybody craves chocolate. I used to do a lot of ketamine because it's available to the horses and everyone's a farmer.
Just in life,
We're so rustic.
Soupy.
Just over the nose because I've been having a little bit of difficulty recently.
Is my hygiene offending you?
Don't breathe.
It just seems like you're wearing makeup.
I'm not wearing makeup. Oh my god. It's so I just have naturally dewy fresh skin.
So while you're doing it, you look like Hitler.
Hey. I do not support the fashionists.
So where are you currently living?
Well, I've been actually really struggling. I've had to sell my third house.
Really? I'm sorry.
Well, but actually, before I get out of Brent, I am. Hey, speech impediments are real. I dropped out of school at 15.
Oh. So you never get pregnant, I take it, with your career and everything.
And with my pill, it is named after me. Oh my god, you guys, you're gonna be so excited for me. I'm gonna go to Ukraine to help the kids with periods there. I know, it's really exciting.
Oh wow, that's so big of you. So what's happening in the Ukraine right now? And where's Kenya?
It's in Egypt.
Yeah. It is. It is.
I think that it's really sad that all the penguins are dying.
Do you have any siblings?
Probably. Apparently one of them is
Any many? What does that mean?
It means that he doesn't like cemeteries. Stardust raining down upon me. Then the sun. That's my whistle. Now my voice. I'm sweating from every orifice that is frozen.
What is that?
He's got the whole world in his hands. He's got the whole world in his hands.
The whole wide world.
Yeah, I'm saying that Clinique don't just be.
No, keep going.
I'm listening to the spleen from my cuisine and I'm feeling kind of sad because it makes me sad. I feel so nauseous. Thanks guys, that was really good. I'm sweating like peas.
I recognize you. Did you used to do some like old pornos?
I mean, I wouldn't say all because I'm a
Yeah, because like I've seen you before and you're like hot, so.
Yeah, well, I'm in the house, so.
You're so dead.
Tuesday spray on Wednesday. Thursday, I don't care about you.